I'm waiting for my sister. I'm gonna take it down. Welcome back to the channel. We are making chocolate concrete. This is a great one for someone missing school dinners. These are the ingredients you need: flour, sugar, butter, and a bowl with a spoon. Get your adult to melt the butter in the microwave. Set the oven on 180°C. Get your adult to grease and align a tin. In the mixing bowl, add the sugar and the flour into the bowl. Looks like a snowman. And it's snow mountain. There can be more snow mountain there. Well, is there any more? Nope. Well. Now mix it together. Whoa, adult, we haven't made it chocolatey. That's better. Now add the cocoa. I think I need to spread it around. Now we're going to put the melted butter in. Hot. Looks like a swamp of dirty mud. Now give it a really good mix. Get your hands in and give it a good squeeze. When it's finished, it looks like chocolate sand. Now put it in the lined baking tray. Oh, too heavy. I can do this. I can do this easily. Just sprinkle it on. When it's all ready, spread it flat. Spread it all into the level and give it a big squish down. Now it's all squished, put some fork prints in it. Get your adult to pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. Now grab yourself a glass of milk and have a rest for 20 minutes. it's out the oven, sprinkle some sugar on it. Leave it to cool completely. While it's cooling, I'm going to get myself a bath. I'm going to dry this with pink custard. Smash that like button with your booty and subscribe and tap that bell to turn notifications.